During the final weeks of pregnancy, your body prepares for one of the most powerful moments of life, childbirth. But did you know that a simple daily technique can make labor smoother, reduce the risk of tearing, and boost your confidence? Today, we're talking about perineal massage, a safe, natural method recommended during late pregnancy. Number 1. What is perineal massage? Perineal massage is a gentle stretching and relaxation technique applied to the birth canal. It helps make the tissues more flexible so they can stretch more easily during childbirth. Studies show that it can lower the risk of perineal tearing, reduce the need for stitches, and help mothers feel more prepared. Number 2. When should you start? You can begin perineal massage around 34 to 35 weeks of pregnancy. Just 5 to 10 minutes a day is enough to prepare the tissues. Number 3. How to prepare. Before starting the massage, follow these steps. Wash your hands thoroughly. Keep your nails short. Use natural oils like olive oil, sweet almond oil, coconut oil, or a water-based lubricant such as KY jelly. Empty your bladder first. It helps you relax better. Number 4. Find a comfortable position. Choose whichever position feels easiest for you. Sitting on the bed with your back supported and knees bent, sitting in a warm bathtub, standing with one leg resting on a stool. Comfort is key. Body should feel relaxed. Number 5. How to perform the massage. Apply a small amount of oil to your fingers. Gently insert your fingers 2 to 4 centimeters inside the vaginal opening. Press downward toward the anus and massage in a slow U-shaped motion. You may feel a stretching sensation, which is normal. Just avoid any pain. Repeat the movement 2 to 3 times. This process helps your tissues gradually become softer, more elastic, and prepared for childbirth. Number 6. Aftercare. When you're done, wash the area with clean water. Gently pat dry with a soft towel. Avoid the massage if you have pain, infection, or bleeding. Number 7. Final encouragement. Perineal massage is a small daily habit that can make a big difference. It builds confidence, reduces fear, and prepares your body naturally for labor. For more important health advice like this, make sure to subscribe to the channel.